So I measured from here to the bottom here, and we're 41 1/8. I measured from here. We have a mark at 41 1/8 and a mark at 41 1/8. So it may not be level, but it matches the bottom. And we're cutting to fit. We're not cutting to square. We're not cutting to be plumb. We're cutting to fit. So I'll screw this one up here and there, this one up there and there, and we'll see what happens. Okay, holding the pallet up here while balancing on the ladder and trying to screw both ends was a real pain in my butt. So I put a screw to hold this end so I can rest this into the pallet on the screw and screw that in, come back and screw this in, take my screw out and move it down.
Drill. Careful.
Yeah,
Did you drop it?
of course I dropped it.
Pause. All right. Are we going to put a third in there for extra security on it? Yay.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. Let's go 2 up here. Ain't getting that one out either.
I thought so.
I can see where I'm a little off on this end. That doesn't matter though. I can screw this pallet. I can screw it right to this one. It'll hang out a little bit. Doesn't really matter. I could put a block or something back here. It's still pretty solid. I think it's going to stand up and stand the test of time. So we'll see. Got to cut these tops off. That will help start bringing the dimensions together. Now, I'll screw in a couple right up here, and up here. And this corner will be very, very solid. And then I'll cut these off, and we'll have more circulation with the chicken wire. So the chicken wire is going to staple to here on the outside and to here on the outside. And I'll build a corner, an outside corner here for the chicken wire to nail to on the outside, so it's out here and not being sucked in and really misshapen the get the rest of our wire all the rest of the way around, like looking really funky. So,
and then we'll have to top these off so birds don't tear them up. But
yeah, something like that.
We'll figure out something cheap.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, that's I got to put a couple of screws in up there. One here. That'll hold the top of this in place while the bottom of it sets and becomes nice and solid. And again, speaking for y'all knows the series. At the end of this video, there will be a suggested video, which will be the next in the series. Like and subscribe. Watch the whole thing.